Sam West here at the Isle of Man TT. I had a bit of a crash last week in practice week, bit of a high side coming out of Laurel Bank down there. So I was on quite a good qualifying lap, but unfortunately on the exit got a bit too easy on the gas, and quite a big high side really snapped me both ways and came bouncing down the road, and I could see the wall here coming up towards me, and I thought, oh, this is not going to be fun, and just come clattering down the wall really, and then bounced off it and back into the road. The bike went all the way down the road there, you can see into the distance, and unfortunately when it hit the wall there, that actually burst into flames. So that was the cause for the red flag. Sorry to the guys who disturbed the session for. I lay down in the road here and got scooped up and taken off by the helicopter. Thanks to all the marshals and medics who are doing a great job there, very reassuring. I want to say a big thanks to RST for my airbag suit. Obviously I'm an RST supported rider, but it's not just a plug, I really am grateful. I feel like the kit has saved my life. I'm wearing a chest protector, a back protector and the RST Factory suit with the inner motion airbag. Look how jaggedy that wall is, and I've got no upper body injuries at all. The suit took a slight repair to the chest on the ribs. I've not even got a bruise on my ribs. Obviously, the bits that aren't covered by an airbag took a bit of a battering. The arms and the legs were all really sore, but my upper body, my internal organs, absolutely fine. When I got strapped to the spinal board and taken off in the helicopter, I went straight into the trauma ward in the hospital, and they were looking everywhere for injuries. My upper body, my back, absolutely perfect, and that's really a testament to how good this kit is. Years ago, when you saw this stuff coming through in MotoGP, we thought we'd never get that. And now here we are racing at the TT with an airbag and chest protectors that can let you crash into a wall like that and still race the next week.